What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. The attacking boss, they are my people. And right about now, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I'm going to talk about, because I can't believe this when I see the news, people, when I see the report, you understand? And it's about a Jamaican national, my people, where them say killed, he was shot and killed over in the United States of America, my people. And to tell you the manner of how them say this man died, my people. And for them say, yo, the man just now migrate over there in the United States just 3 months ago, my people. But now lie, my viewers and subscribers. You know the attacking boss go, and you know me I go say, my people, I feel it to my heart. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Yo, the man never deserve to die this way, my people. All because of what? Me have to talk and me have to say it. One LAMP0IL, one LAMP0IL, you know, people. So right over in New York, my people, the man is saying to them, say, yo, the man going to basically one store like or somewhere, you understand, if you buy something, my people. Some, when they call it Dunkin' Donuts, or what them want to call it, my people, you understand? So him going to Dunkin' Donuts to purchase something, and basically them say like, him never have any mask, my people. So a female and in them manage to reach now and look at argument or something over the whole thing. Basically, true, him never wear mask and them something, people. I don't know, because nobody knows what happened or what transpired when him said to the female, but him say, and them say another person was there and something, you understand, my people, and basically them say him a walk after that and something like, you know, argument done or whatever, people, and shortly after him a walk, the woman where man him in the local thing, my people, manages to come alongside and meet up with her man, my people, and them say no chattings, no this, no that, my people. The man fire shots, my people, more than one shot, and hit this man, my people, and boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Them say the man never make it, my people. Him drop out. You understand? So basically, the LAMP0IL, you know, manage to go for him, you know, crack it, you know, a piece of sin thing, man, you know, my people. And kill the youth, my people. You understand? Left him look at you now. Just, you know, got a foreign people if it comes to man, you know, maybe I'm the breadwinner for your family right now. Maybe family so happy at Jamaica if you know say man get a chance now, my people, if you go over there in a way you can cut. You know what I mean, my people? And if you know just 3 months, and if you know the man or the man dying, my people. All because them say what? A mass, you know, and this is one I manage in an argument with the man, my people. The man may say something to her, because I don't know some Yaad man go, my people. You understand? And boy, Jaja see, Jaja know the piece of thing just come, my people, and wet up the man. You understand? And gone. But one thing me have to say, my people. So in another world right now, we are living among some wicked and some vile people. You understand? And I say to all the wild people, the devil is roaming, the devil is walking the street, my people, and the devil don't want to see we win. You understand? So this man get the chance, my people, him get the win if you go over there for your better life, my people, and just 3 months after, you see what happened to him, my people? The wicked ones, them stole the man life away. But John asleep, and a straight attack for uno, for you LAMP0IL sing thing, for you LAMP0IL sing thing, and for that the piece of sing thing where you go for and wet up the man. Remember me telling you, Jah nah sleep, my people, because this is crueltiness, this is wickedness. You understand? Them say it wasn't like the man, you know what I mean, physically, you know, attack the female or do something, you know, people, because everybody has say, yo, a man never deserve to go down this way. Even the police, them everybody, but basically people and other people over there say, yo, in this region over there in the Bronx, for people, boy, it's a violent place for people. A lot of things are going on over there, and it's not a good look. You understand? Because we don't know where they are Jamaican now, people, and things turn up, you know, but you have some part over there in the state, you know, people, come like World War 10 are going there when you even reach it, you know, people, because the thing hot, you know. Every day, every minute, every hour, every second a year, pie, and 3 trees a year there. Somebody get slapped down there, so somebody dead down there, so you understand? But on a real level, my people, it's a sad situation for no say, yo, just 3 months after the man comes to boom, people, see there, them take out them 3 points. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But people, big up on yourself, man, are more love, more respect, and more blessings, and just be safe out there and do the right thing, my people. Peace out. One attack, one scheme, one dream. Rest in peace, my brother, and my condolences to all of the family. And attack again for the LAMP0IL and for the wicked piece. Same thing who squeeze the pie there and take the 3 points. Jah nah sleep. I hope them give the chair. I hope them give the ejection. I hope them give the rope. I hope them give anything to finish off. Remember that all the LAMP0IL too, no joke about it. Remember, my people, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. Attacking Boss. Peace out. Love you all.